Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a double whammy. So Paper Claire Brown from Paper Pen and Plan has this workshop and it's called Messy Monday. And I don't think it's necessarily just Mondays that we're doing some bits and pieces, but it involves jelly printing and yeah, learning about lots of things about gelliplate. So I signed up for the lower tier one because I already have a gelliplate, and so was only sent the stencils and the paint and whatnot. So I have it here. Why am I? Let me just go through it with you. So we did our first kind of like session last Monday, but I was busy doing something else. So I just listened and watched Jane. I am gonna save this because I can jelly print on that one. That would be awesome. So I'm gonna straighten this out. Got loads of this, so I can do some jelly printing on them. Let me just so I'm gonna do is smooth it out. Right. Sorry about this. Okay. Right. Before I proceed, if you can hear some banging or whatever noise, my dog and my husband are upstairs having a little play fight. So there will be a little bit of noise. I'm really sorry about that. So here we go. I'm gonna save that and I'm gonna do an unboxing of the stuff that is in the kit. So in my kit, there is stencils, and this is specially made by Jane Drake. Aha! Love it, love it, love it, love it. I think that's that. So you get 2 stencils, and you get, oh, what is this? Oh, a Daler Rowney A5 cartridge paper. Amazing. Right, that's great. In there, and ooh, some paints. Woohoo! So you get 5 paints, deco art paints, and they are the carousel pink. Can you see that? Let me just double check. Right, okay, good. So you get the carousel pink, you get the shoreline, you get a light buttermilk, you get sour apple, which is, oh, it's a nice shade of green, and a bright orange. Once I'm here, I also wanted to share with you. Once I'm here, I also wanted to share with you a recent order for Paper Pen and Plan. And these are the black suit and carved pumpkin distress oxide. And in her group, she's doing tiny TN challenges, and recently she did a kind of like a giveaway, and so my prize was a tiny TN, and oh my god, it was so dinky. I didn't even realize it was this dinky. So that will be fun to create on. And I can't wait. As you know, I do my micro art journaling things. So let's put that onto one side. Put that there. And let us play. So I'm gonna put the music on, and just playing with my jelly plate and my paints. Okay, so here are my finished papers. So I've made use of the packaging. Just made a load of backgrounds, and I think every week we're going to be making something out of these prints, or the things that we print. I might make some more, or I might use the things that I have printed before. It's a bit chaotic. I don't know. I'm not sure about it being so chaotic. I guess there are patterns there, but yeah, so that's one side. Made both sides just in case. See you in that. I'm not even sure, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just trying like color combos, that's and whatnot. See what works and what not, what doesn't. I made use of a 100 GSM copy paper for grunge. I like this color combo. This blue goes into like gray. It looks like a gray to me when it's mixed with orange and pink, but it's cute. Yeah, so made use of Jane Drake. Is it Jane Drake? Jane Drake's stencils. She made them themselves. Not sure whether she has a shop, but they are designed by Jane Drake, and I love them. That's cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next lot of Messy Monday. I don't know what we're doing after this, so we shall see. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.